Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to increase Windows 10 performance. I have uploaded videos on similar topic, but it is still useful because the Windows ever evolving. So follow each and every step and also like and subscribe. So let's start. Step number 1 is Microsoft configuration. To do this, open run and type msconfig. Once you have typed it, OK it. In the services tab, hide all Microsoft services. Step number 2 is to disable some services. To do this, open run and type services.msc. Search for HV host service. It will be in H section. There it is. Open its properties. Set it as manual. Now search for sysmain service. Also open its properties. Disable it from there. Step number 3 is to change mouse sensitivity. To do this, type on regedit. The registry editor will become and open it. In HKey current user section, scroll to control panel and in control panel in the mouse section. Open the mouse hover time. Change its value from 400 to 10. Now in the desktop section, change the menu show delay and also change its value from 400 to 10. The fourth step is to disable startup services. To do this, open Task Manager. And in the Task Manager, in the startup services, if you find any unnecessary program, disable it. You can disable it by right clicking and clicking on disable option. The fifth step is to enable storage sense. To do this, type storage setting. In the storage setting, click on configure storage sense. Enable this option and also enable to run the storage sense every week. Rest of setting is not so useful, so it's depend upon you change it or not. The last step is power and sleep setting. To do this, search for power and sleep setting. Open it. In the power and sleep setting, click on additional power setting and create a power plan. Name it as high performance. Also set it to high performance. Click on next and create it and enable the high performance mode. So this was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel if you found this video useful. Also like it.